when Muhoozi said that him and his father sponsored me. The same person has said Jesus Christ is a Munyangola. The same person said he's related to Jesus Christ. Nababuuzako gye muvuddeko yabafe. Mwe wammwe ku kyalo tewaliyo mulamulo, temulina balamulo. Bali mutuuzaako olukiiko lw'ekyalo nga muteesako mulamulo. Okuzze kutuuka wano togamba tomanyi wisiki kyakola. Of course, bazemu ne bambuuza, and somebody also asked me about Muhoozi's tweet yesterday threatening to cut off my head, and also warning police that they will face it rough if they don't arrest anybody criticizing the criminality of his father and their family, talking about how much his father is a thief and him as a murderer, and warning DPCs who don't arrest people who say the truth. That was some time ago. I've never stopped saying the truth. I've not seen any DPC yet. But you know the DPC, what do you answer? I want to say that clearly, that we don't take these threats for granted. We don't take the threats lightly. For example, when he said that you would cut off my head, this is a person, regardless of what he has drunk, he is the commander of our armed forces. He's the chief of armed forces and a son to the dictator. And we know, we who read history, we've seen the sons of dictators and how they've behaved, not only in Africa but all over the world. So I don't take those threats lightly. I know that the same person has commanded an operation that abducted our people. Many of them have never been seen again. I know that this is the same person that personally tortured our friend Kakwenza Rukirabasaija. So I don't take those threats lightly. But I want to tell you, Muhoozi, I don't fear you, man. I don't. I can't be intimidated by these criminals. If I don't fear your father, then what about you? I just ignore you because you're not worth responding to. We are dealing with a bigger dictator, and by extension, dealing with you. So, the world watches everything. They know where I stay. I don't move with guns. I move alone. Mera Magere. Okay?